Hi everyone, welcome to Kotlin Programming Series. In this video, we are going to see arithmetic operations on array. Yes, array is in multiple numbers. In past video, we have seen arithmetic operations on two numbers. So in this video, we will be covering all those operations on multiple numbers. So let's start with coding. I am declaring an array named A of integer. Let's have some elements. Now to perform arithmetic operations on array, we will be using some inbuilt functions Kotlin provides. So four basic arithmetic operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's check first those four. To get this sum, we will be using function sum. Yes, it's that simple. Let's try and run. Sum is 100, which is that. Now let's try and subtract. So subtraction works a bit different with arrays. For the subtraction, we can specify number of elements which we want to subtract from the array. So I am defining a new variable, let's say b, which will specify the list of numbers which I want to avoid or eliminate from the array a. Let's say I have done. To use the subtraction, I will be using function subtract, and I will pass list b so that b will be eliminated from A. Mhm. Typed it wrong. Yeah. So as you can see, 10 and 40 is been eliminated from array E. If I specify 20 here, it should eliminate just 20 and 10 and 40. One thing, if you notice, it is not only eliminating the B elements, but giving the result of distinct values. As you can see, there are two 10s, but it is showing just one 10. Okay. Let's move to next function, which is multiplication. To get the multiplication, we will be multiplying all the numbers starting from first element to last element. For this, I will be using reduce function. This is the collection transformation function provided by Kotlin. You can check it in detail in our videos or also Google. I is equal to, I is going to be yield from I into L. As you can see, element is the multiplication. I is the every element of an array. So I is equal to I into multiplication. It is as simple as that. Yeah. Okay. For division also we can use the same a dot reduce method. I will request you all to try that on your own and let me know in the comments if you were able to do it successfully. Okay. I will move to the next function. These are the basic arithmetic operations. Now let's try and print array size. These are some basic easy functions. A dot size. So it's not a function, it's a property of Mr. Pratt. Yeah, here it is. 5 is the size. Now we will try to print the average of an array. Yeah, as you can see, sum is 100, size is 5, 100 by 5, 20. Average is correct. Then there is, has been found, count is 5. Also, we can get minimum and maximum. It is as simple as that. Let's print max first. E dot max, and same with me. Yes, max is 40, minimum is 10. Then we will print distinct values. Distinct values are 10, 20, and 40. And one last function, which is plus. So if we want to add an element in an array, then we can use the plus function. Let's try. I will be adding 50. A dot plus, specifying the element 50. Let's try if it does anything. No, it is printing the element right now. Yeah, as you can see, plus 50, 10, 20, 40, 10, 20, and 50. Okay. So that's it for today's video. In today's video, we saw the basic operations on an array, which is subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. And division you have to check on your own and let me know in the comments. Then we saw the size, average, count, maximum. These are the some basic functions, but they're really very useful. So in a couple of next videos, we will be covering same basic problems but with Kotlin advantages. So stay tuned for next videos. We will meet you soon. Till then, keep coding.